Hello students, so today we are going to discuss the exercise 4.2 of chapter Practical Geometry. Now in this exercise we will be learning how to construct quadrilateral when we have two diagonals and three sides are given. Okay, so again we will learn how to construct with such case by doing the questions from the exercise itself. Okay, so we have total 3 constructions in this exercise and all are similar. Only the last construction which is given is constructing a rhombus. Okay, so for rhombus you know the property that all the sides in the rhombus are equal, so you can easily take any 3 sides and a diagonal will be given. Okay, so I am only going to construct the first part and rest 2 parts you have to do by yourself. So quadrilateral LIFT we have given, we need to construct this where we have given Li is equals to 4 centimeter, IF is equals to 3 centimeter, TL is 2.5 centimeter, LF is 4.5 centimeter and IT is 4 centimeter. Okay, so as we were doing before, so let's construct the rough diagram first to get the understanding of these measurements. Okay, so first we have given a quadrilateral LIFT. So first draw a rough quadrilateral. So let's say this is the quadrilateral and name it LIF and this is T. Okay, now Li is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. IF is 3 centimeter. TL is 2.5. TL is 2.5 centimeter. LF is 4.5. LF, which is a diagonal. Okay, so construct this diagonal. So this is 4.5 centimeter. Now IT, the other diagonal we have, this is 4 centimeter. हमने एक rough diagram बनाया, so there can be error in this diagram. That's why this is rough diagram. Okay, rough figure. And one more thing is you need to construct all the figures by pencil because you can make error while constructing it. So prefer using pencils. Okay, so for construction first take the line or the diagonal LF. Okay, I am taking LF because I have the other two sides known, that is Li and IF. Okay, so to construct these two lines I have the measurement, that's why I have taken this diagonal. Okay, so this is a line that is LF, this is L, this is F. Now this is 4.5 centimeter in measurement. Okay, now from L we need to construct Li and from F we need to construct Fi. Okay, so take the compass and ruler. Since we have Li 4 centimeter, so take the needle at 0 and then take measurement of 4 centimeter. Put the needle at L and then mark an arc. Now from F point we need 3 centimeter. So again take the ruler and compass, put the needle at 0 and take the measurement of 3 centimeter. So this is 3 centimeter. Put the needle at F and mark this arc. Okay, now the intersecting point of these two arcs is this, so this is the I. Okay, now join the points Li and IF. Okay, so Li we have 4 centimeter and IF is 3 centimeter. Now Previously we were constructing these two lines after it, okay, but since we don't have this measurement, what will we do? We will take measurement from I of 4 centimeter and then draw an arc, and from L 2.5 centimeter, okay. So again, take the ruler and compass. From I we are going to draw an arc measuring 4 centimeter, okay. So put the needle at 0 and this is 4 centimeter. So from I, put the needle at I and draw this arc, okay. Now second we have this LT. So LT is 2.5 centimeter and we want 2.5 centimeter. We need to mark from L. So take 2.5, put the needle at 0 and then take the measurement of 2.5. Now from L, this is the arc, okay. Now intersecting of these two arcs is this point. Intersecting point is this point, that is this point will be T, okay. We have made these two lines, okay. Now join IT and second LT, okay. So this is 4 centimeter and this is 2.5 centimeter. Now we have left with this side, okay. As we have 2 points from here to here, we can join them. So join this point T and F. So this is the required quadrilateral. We have the quadrilateral LIFT, okay. So you can see the difference between these two quadrilaterals, okay. So you are going to do the other two construction by the same procedure. What you have to do is take that diagonal which has two sides given, okay, and then construct as we were constructing it already in exercise 4.1. Then you have to take measurement from the vertex point or the intersecting point and you need to construct the other diagonal, okay. After that, when you will construct the other diagonal, you will already have point for other two lines or other two sides. So student, this was exercise 4.2 and in this exercise we learned when two diagonals and three sides are given, then how we can construct the quadrilateral, okay. So I will see you next video with new exercise 4.3. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you.